Welcome to the channel, dear students. Before watching this video, I encourage and recommend all of you to kindly watch the previous video, that is distance of a point part 1. Okay, in this video, we will be discussing how to find the distance of a point from a line measured along another line. So kindly watch the video till the end because this is an important topic from JEE Mains point of view. You can easily score 4 marks from this chapter. So let us begin without any delay. The distance of this point from this line, if the question were just this much, then we know how to find the distance of this point from the line. We find the foot of the perpendicular firstly, and then we find the distance. But here the question is distance of this point from the line measured along this line. So what does the process say? Very simple. I recommend you to kindly draw the diagram first so that you will get a better visualization. Now this is the first line which is passing through the point 4, 4, 2, and the direction ratios of this line are nothing but 1, 0, 3. Now we need to find the distance of this point along the line. Distance of this point along this line. Let us say this is the second line which is passing through 9, 13, 17, and then the direction ratios are 2, 3, 6. So here there is an interesting point, dear students. If you carefully observe, this point lies on this line. How do we know that? Replace x with 7. So 7 minus 9 divided by 2. And replace y with 10. What do we get? 10 minus 13 divided by 3. And replace z with 11. So we get minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. Minus 3 by 3 is minus 1. Minus 6 by 6 is minus 1. So we know that. So we understood that this point lies on this line. Maybe in this way. That is 7, 10, 11. Now we need to find the distance of this point from this line. Distance of this point from this line measured along the second line. So what do? We have to find this distance actually. So this is point A and this is point B. So we have to find this distance, right? So now if we get the coordinates of point B, then the question is done, right? So how do we find the coordinates of point B? Again, we have to assume the coordinates of point B with respect to line L2. With respect to line L2, that is x minus 9 divided by 2 is equal to y minus 13 divided by 3 is equal to z minus 17 divided by 6. We equate this to lambda. Let us say the coordinates of B are 9 plus 2 lambda, 13 plus 3 lambda, 17 plus 6 lambda. Now, point B lies on first line, that is this. Let us say this is L1. So if point B lies on line L1, then what can we say? So replace x with 9 plus 2 lambda. So we get 9 plus 2 lambda minus 4 divided by 1 is equal to 13 plus 3 lambda minus 4, I believe. Yeah, minus 4 divided by 0 is equal to 17 plus 6 lambda minus 2 divided by, I believe it is 3. Yeah. Now we can equate these two. So we get, if I cross multiply, we get 0 is equal to 3 lambda plus 9. I think lambda is equal to minus 3. So now once we get lambda as minus 3, we can easily find point B. Point B becomes 9 minus 6, that is 3, 13 minus 9, that is 4, 17 minus 18, that is minus 1. And what are the coordinates of point A? We have coordinates of point A as 7, 10, 11. So the distance AB is nothing but 7 minus 3 is 4 square, 10 minus 4 is 6, 6 square, 11 plus 1 is 12 square. So what do we get? 16 plus 36 plus 144. I believe it is 144 plus 16 is 160. 160 plus 36 is 196. So we get, I think, square root of 196 is 14. 14 units will be the correct answer. I think this is the correct answer. That's it. So this is as simple as that. We'll solve one more question. In this question, the point 7, 10, 11 lies on the line. What if the point does not lie? So how do we solve that kind of question? So square of the distance of this point from the line in the direction of this vector. So the first line passes through the fixed point -1, -3, -5, and the direction of the line is 3, 5, 7. Now we need the square of the distance of this point from this line in the direction of this. That means we have one line whose direction ratios are 1, 4, 7. How do we get that? From this direction of the vector is given as I cap plus 4j cap plus 7k cap. That means direction ratios of the line should be 1, 4, 7. Now, so let me take the fixed point as 15 by 7, 32 by 7 and 7, 7. So we need the distance of this point from this line. Distance of this point from this line measured along this line. So let us again call this as A, this as B. Again we do the same process. We will find the coordinates of B. So how do you find the coordinates of B? B will be, let us say, x1 plus A lambda, next y1 plus B lambda, and z1 plus C lambda. x1, y1, z1 are the coordinates of point A. A, B, C are the direction ratios. Now we found the coordinates of point B in terms of lambda. Point B lies on L1. So replace x with this, y with this, and z with this. So we get 15 by 7 plus lambda plus 1 divided by 3 is equal to 32 by 7 plus 4 lambda plus 3 divided by 5 is equal to 7 plus 7 lambda plus 5 divided by 7. So I think we can equate these two probably. So we get lambda plus 15 plus 7 should be 22 by 7 divided by 3 is equal to 7 lambda plus 12 divided by 7. So if I cross multiply, I get 7 lambda plus 22, right, should be equal to 21 lambda plus 12 3 36. So 22 minus 36 will be minus 14, I believe, and 21 minus 7 should be 14 lambda. So lambda should be minus 1. So once we get the value of lambda as minus 1, we can easily find the coordinates of point B. So coordinates of point B will be 15 minus 7, that will be 8 by 7, and 32 minus 28, I think will be 4 by 7, and 7 minus 7 will be 0. And the coordinates of point A are 15 by 7 and 32 by 7, comma, and 7. Yeah. So now what are they asking? The square of the distance of this point from the line. That means they are asking us to find AB square. They are asking us to find AB square. So AB square will be 15 minus 8 will be 7. 7 by 7 will be 1 square. Plus 32 minus 4 is 28. 28 by 7 is 4. Yeah, 4 square plus 7 minus 0 is 7 square. So this will be 1 plus 16 plus 49. 49 plus 1 is 50. 50 plus 16, I think it is 66. So 66 should be the correct answer. That's it. The question is as simple as that. Now here is another question which is a homework question for all of you. Please do solve it and comment the answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. Meet you with the next one.